In this video, we'll see how to make simple and delicious tutti frutti cupcakes without oven. Let's get started. So here is my aluminum kadhai which I have dedicated for baking. Put some salt, this is regular salt, and a stand. And on the stand I'm going to place a plate. You can use any plate. Now at medium flame, preheat this for 10 minutes. Yes, of course you need to cover it. So cover it and preheat for 10 minutes at medium flame. Meanwhile, in a bowl, take half cup all-purpose flour or maida. To this add 6 tablespoons powdered sugar or pisi hui chini. You can also make this cake with wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा. Now add half teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda or खाने वाला soda. Give this a mix. If you want, you can also use Eno fruit salt instead of this baking powder and soda. So skip baking powder and soda both and use half teaspoon Eno. Keep it aside. In another bowl, let's mix our wet ingredients. So 6 tablespoon milk, this is at room temperature. A few drops of mixed fruit essence. If you do not have mixed fruit essence, you can use any other essence you have. Now let's start adding the dry mixture a little at a time so that we do not get lumps. Now add 1.5 tablespoon ghee. If you want, you can also use butter at room temperature instead of ghee, or you can also use oil. Now put some tutti frutti. But I suggest that you use either butter or ghee because that's going to add really nice taste to the cakes. Now add 1.5 teaspoon vinegar or sirka. You can also use lemon juice. Stir it in one direction for 5 to 7 seconds and then immediately pour it into the teacups, or if you want to bake this in a regular cake mold, you can also do that. But then the mold will have to be small, like 5" for this quantity. For OTG or convection, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake these cakes for 15 to 17 minutes. So I'm putting some tutti frutti on the top, so I forgot to coat these tutti frutti with some maida, because doing that makes sure that your tutti frutti does not sink to the bottom, which happened in my case. Anyway, so place these teacups in your kadhai on the plate. If you are doing a kadhai or cooker baking. For cooker, you need to remove the gasket and also the whistle. And then you need to bake these cakes for 17 to 20 minutes at low flame. It's been 17 minutes and our tutti frutti cupcakes are ready. I should have coated the tutti frutti with some maida, but I did not do that. You guys please do that. So let me just take these out. These have turned out really nice and soft. Remember, if you overbake a cake, it turns out hard. So make sure you do not do that. Maybe you can check your cake after baking it for a certain period of time, and if required, then only bake it longer. If you keep baking it longer even after it's done, the cake turns out hard. So I just decorated the cake with some white choco chips and tutti frutti and put some honey on it. So the cake has turned out really nice and spongy. You can see that. Look at the beautiful texture. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.